Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to download and install PNC mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, you have to launch App Store on your device. Then, at the bottom right, you will see searching icon, simply tap on it. Then, on the searching bar, search for PNC Mobile Bank. Now find the app labeled with PNC Mobile Banking and go through it. There you will see Get button, simply tap on it to download your application to your device. It may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Once the application is installed, there you will see Open button, simply tap on it to launch your application on your device. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed PNC mobile banking application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.